All right. Thank you so much, Khalida, for that lovely introduction. Now, first things first, I want to get to know all of you. In the comment section, drop if you have a business, what your business is, and whether you're online or not at the moment. I want those answers from you, Jason, from you, Chisom, Yolanda, Val, Ruth, everybody. Tell me whether you have a digital business right now or you have a physical business that you're thinking about just taking online. Let me get to know you a little bit better in the comment section. So Cleo, you have a digital business. Also tell me what it is you do. You never know who else is in this session who you might want to connect with. Let's see, Olibo Gang, you said you are not yet established online. I love that you're in this session and coming to figure out how you can make that jump. Someone else said, my name is Mediatrix and I have a digital business heritage here. I'm a co-founder of a digital marketing agency. Excellent. Also a photographer. Someone wants to sell different sweet jars. That's interesting. Affiliate marketer. I love it. I love it. The comment section is rolling. You guys, a lot of you guys seem to have some sort of physical and digital operation. Some of you are in the earlier stages and looking to how you can pivot online. But and a lot of you are looking for guidance for setting up. Thank you so much. And you guys connect with each other in the comment section as well. Someone's a photographer. If you need photographer for your business, she has you, right? You guys are in this session, so we don't need to, it seems that a lot of you already kind of understand the importance of going online, right? And why are we doing this? So we partnered with Visa because Visa, great support for female businesses in this market. They did a special report on female entrepreneurs in the market. And one of their findings was that during the pandemic, a lot of female entrepreneurs struggled, right? And that's either because they weren't necessarily online in the best way possible where they could quickly pivot. And for others, they weren't necessarily, if they were online, they weren't necessarily skilled to be able to take advantage of some of the things that were going on. So we wanted to be able to create something to either help you start, or if you have already started, give you a structure to kind of go off of so that you can scale and grow. Right, so some of the reasons that you should go online, right? So I'm reading your comments. I see like you want to do a lot of things. We'll talk about that as well, right? So the economy is unstable, right? A lot of markets, South Africa, for instance, a lot of people struggle to find, funding. Even sometimes when you find funding, you're not necessarily finding the kind of funding you need to scale, right? And a lot of the times, things are just not at the best position to be in. You can see like, in Nigeria, for instance, the cost of living is rising at an exponential rate. But a lot of these challenges, where digital can help you solve, right? When you go online, you have access to a global market, right? You can take advantage of people who are not in your economy. We talk about making the dollars, making the pounds, right? You're not restricted to, where you live, and you can expand the amount of people that you reach. You also are not restricted by what's in your physical environment, right? The more creative you can be online, the more you can leverage those opportunities and prospective customers. So you guys are in this session, so I don't need to oversell that to you, but it's important that you know that some of the things that you're going through are not just for you, they're things that everybody in the market is going through.